Hi, I am Buddy, your host. Welcome to the Energetics program. Today, we will learn about mindfulness and mental health. Here are some signs which indicate that you might be struggling with mental health issues. Please keep yourself aware about these signs in yourself and your friends. When your mind has gotten unhealthy for some reason, what do? How will I know if my mind is unhealthy? Signs of mental health concerns. You are eating too less or too much. Someone may lose interest in food and eat less, leading to weight loss, or they might engage in emotional eating, resulting in weight gain. These changes can indicate how they are coping with stress or depression. Without any reason, your heart rate is increased. Changes in heart rate can be a significant indicator of mental health issues. For example, anxiety and stress often trigger an increase in heart rate, leading to feelings of panic or unease. Conversely, depression might cause a lower heart rate or feelings of lethargy. Your hands or feet may experience trembling without any reason. Trembling in the hands and feet without an apparent physical cause can be a sign of anxiety or stress-related disorders. This involuntary shaking, often referred to as tremors, may occur during moments of heightened anxiety or panic, reflecting the body's fight-or-flight response. It can also indicate feelings of nervousness or emotional overwhelm. You are either oversleeping or having very less sleep. Insomnia, difficulty falling or staying asleep, or hypersomnia, sleeping too much, can be indicators of mental health struggles. Sleep disturbances can worsen overall mood and functioning. Without any reason, you are experiencing difficulty in breathing. During heightened stress or anxiety, the body's fight-or-flight response can trigger rapid, shallow breathing, leading to sensations of breathlessness. This can create a cycle of panic, where the fear of not being able to breathe intensifies the anxiety. There are frequent mood swings. You may notice frequent mood swings, where you feel unusually happy one moment and then suddenly irritable or sad the next. You might feel anger, sadness, or anxiety more often than usual. There are constant thoughts bothering you, or making you feel uncomfortable. Intrusive or uncomfortable thoughts are unwanted and often distressing ideas or images that can repeatedly enter a person's mind, causing significant anxiety or discomfort. These thoughts may revolve around fears, worries, or disturbing scenarios. While everyone experiences intrusive thoughts occasionally, persistent or intense occurrences can disrupt daily life and functioning. These are some signs of mental health concerns. Apart from this, we can make out when someone is disturbed or struggling. In our normal culture, we tend to ignore them. Mental health is as important as physical. Do watch out for these signs for yourself, for your friends, and family. I hope you have gained more awareness about the signs of mental health concerns. If you notice yourself or your friends going through these, don't ignore them and engage in self-care techniques. Thank you.